Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen a particular range. The natural gas was moving in a particular range with a high of around 6.69. Okay, this is the range, and after Feb 2022 we have seen that this range has moved upside. And if you have checked my previous video, I was continuously telling you that there is a pattern forming at this particular level, and from if it goes above a level of 4.9 it can touch a level of 7.528, and which is already being done. Okay, you can check my Telegram channel. I've provided this update there. Okay, any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in natural gas and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Suppose now it is trading at around 7.286, and if this particular level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 7.5.10. and suppose if this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside, because this level is already being tested here twice, so probability will be high. We can see it can touch a level of 7.681. From there, if it sustain that level also, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 8.305, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 8.419. A particular high we have seen that it is around 8.163, and these levels are already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can move to a level of 8.305, and from there we can see a level of 8.391. Once if it goes above this level, and this level is around not being tested here, 8.391, so what we can see a bounce back, and next support we can see coming at around 8.192. from there we can see 8.249. from there we can see again a bounce back towards an upside, suppose. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 8.646, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 8.902. okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can touch a level of 7.198, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of 6.999. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that level also, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 6.715, which is a very strong support. So if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can go to a level of 6.517. okay, again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can fall further towards a level of 7.141, and from there if it didn't sustain that level also, then we can see a level of 7.028. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 6.715. okay, once this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 6.545. okay, and once this level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 6.431. these are some of the support which I am telling you. If that level didn't sustain, we can see it can fall further. But suppose if it didn't sustain a level of 6.403, then we can see it can touch a level of 5.997, and from there we can see it can fall further towards a level of 5.892, and from there if it didn't sustain that level also, then we can see a level of 5.551. okay, suppose if this particular level is sustained, if it goes below a level of 6.8, then only we can see it can touch a level of 5.9. once if it goes below a level of 5.9, then we can see a level of 5.438, and from there we can see a level of 5.210. suppose if that also didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 4.981. so once if it comes in this particular zone, then we can see it can move in the range. okay, now suppose if you are trading or investing, please consult your financial advisor before investing. So now understand one thing. Suppose if you are trading, and if you are trading with $10,000, and if you have around 5 trades a day, and your risk should be 0.5 to $1, 0.5 to 1%. okay, that is around $50 to $100, and if your trade is around 10 to 15%, that is around 1,000 to 1,500. Suppose if you trade 5 times, you know your risk will be $500 if you lose all those trades. okay, so you'd more be so that you can more focus, if you lose all the 5 trades, on profit, not on recovering this amount. What people do is they try to trade more to just in order to recover, which in turn make them lose their capital. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. This is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, you can just mail me. We can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.